You want to know how to use Cloud for coding? Well, no worries. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Cloud for coding purposes in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI website right here, and you should be under this interface. Now, make sure you are logged in, and on the top left side, you should be seeing new chat with this plus icon, or something like that, and you should be with the chat box right here. And now on the bottom, you should be seeing various options. Now, since we are coding, just simply select code right here, and here you can see the posts that come to it. So you can also write your own prompt by default, or you can just simply select code right here and then select any one of these prompts that should be there by default, and it should make you just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily use Cloud AI for coding. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.